So I didn't get like a proper intro here. My intro, I'm actually on a Disney cruise with the family. I'm shooting on 3 different things. I'm shooting on my phone, the GoPro, and also the Osmo 3. I'm shooting a bits and pieces of every single thing. I'm gonna show you guys how it goes, but I am on a Disney cruise right now, so I just want to bring everybody along with me. I want to just try to show you guys how the difference between the 3 is, I guess, in a way. But no, just kind of just a little fun thing to do, to shoot and edit as I'm out here on vacation with the family. I'm gonna try to do the best I can to show you guys all around. But this is me shooting with my iPhone. Just kind of want to show everyone else at that. But I am on a Disney cruise, and I'll show you guys in all the clips right here. So if you guys enjoy it, it's gonna be not much of me talking, just kind of more shooting around and seeing the difference. So let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Down now. Heading out for ground transport. So let's get it. I'm looking for transportation. Arrived to the hotel. That's what we are doing right now. Making a video? I'm gonna make a family video.
Hey, can I record you? No, can I record
what?
you? Because you're not in most of them. You're not really in most of them.
What are you talking about?
You're not really in most of them.
And heading out somewhere over there. Oh, you can see the cruise from here. Oh, that's not our cruise ship, but it's a cruise. So we are just arriving. Getting the whole thing on here. Perfect. Perfect. Now it's time to go board, baby. Nice, look at this. Look how it looks. Alright, we're finally in. About to catch some breakfast. I've already got on the ship, and now it's time to eat some breakfast or lunch. One or the other. Check out our view. Nice.
safe.
So we finally took off. Now we're sailing. Life's good. Now we're heading to Tortola.
Tortilla.
Tortola.
Tortilla.
It's Tortola. Oh, look at the people are fishing.
The little thing that's sticking on them, but you can't touch their skin because it's poisonous.
Oh, I got it.
What's that loud?
That's probably the boat saying, "See you later, suckers." Bacon.
This bread is gone.
Dude, we are moving. Damn, look at the waves on here.
White wave.
Yeah, because all the pressure. Look at that, man. We are creating a wave up in here. No, whoa, look at that. Oh. How's it going? Thank you. Hey, the corner's over. Oh. That's cool, dude. Whoa, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, that's actually cool. Where'd it go? Avengers. Technology showcase.
Tonight's experience is brought
Stark Industries.
so be prepared to be astonished.
Hi. There you go, look. That's cool. World of Marvel.
Let's go check. A 10. 10.
So I'm over here in the back of the ship. Just chilling. Beautiful day. Oh, it's beautiful out here. It's real nice. Just enjoying the weather. Cruise has been pretty good so far. Been enjoying. It's been kind of chilly, kind of windy, but the Osmo's been doing pretty good. I'm not sure how the lighting kind of looks right now, but testing it out. See how we go. Here we go. The Mickey's Aqua Miles, baby. We are on the Mickey's Aqua Miles. Let's see, now we're gonna go straight. That's it, we're about to go down the hole, Nick. We're about to go down the hole. Are we ready? Let's go! Yeah, baby! We're about to shoot up. Captain up there. the ship. Literally from the very tip of the ship. Boom. Looking back, that's where the captain is. There's all the Plaza de Coco. What? Oh, this is cool. Yeah, that's the Coco. That's his guitarra. Yeah, dude. It's so nice.
Dad, when we get the shuffleboard, it's gonna be parents versus kids.
Oh, we have officially made it. We have made it. And this is our view. Oh, wow. Here's the view from our room. That's beautiful. Getting ready, about to start our day, catching. What are we catching today? Some airport adventure. To a beach, right, man? What? To some mountain? Yeah. Let's go. The views are crazy here. Wow. Aqua out, baby. It's already recording.
That's him right there. Dad, say hi.
What's up? Over here, Nick.
We're about to go up because it's on level 8.
You guys can stay straight.
And we're on a cruise ship.
Which cruise ship are you on?
The Disney Treasure.
Down, so you gotta keep it.
I have to wave my hand. Now let's go in. That's my dad right there. We're walking this way. Okay, he's about to iron the clothes. He's just taking it. He closes it, he turns it on. I have to go with him every day.
Every day, because we have to iron our clothes.
That's
Every
right there.
We are back live.
And I'll go show you guys around. Over here's the ocean.
Want a good cup of coffee? We're a good couple of hours away from a pirate's night at the top of the ship. Just trying to enjoy it. we are here beginning of day 5. Yeah, we're beginning day 5. We just reached out to St. Thomas. Last night we did the Pirates of the Caribbean, or it's a Pirates night here at the Disney cruise. So I recorded some of that stuff and I'll show you guys that in a bit. But yeah, here, check out St. Thomas. Absolutely gorgeous over here. The weather is perfect. Just hanging outside of a store here, waiting for the girls to come out from souvenir shopping. We are hungry. My kid wants to go to where? To a store?
Pool.
Oh, to the pool. We're actually gonna go down over there and get lunch first before we're heading back and get on the boat, get on some pool. People are just constantly walking back and forth, aren't they? Trying to just get some rest so we can head back to the boat. Where?
I want to head back to the boat.
I know, we're all hungry. That's our thing, is we're all hungry. But it's been fun. Weather has been
I want to
crazy.
head back to the boat.
He wants to head back to the boat. But St. Thomas has been a lot better than Tola. Yeah.
What happened in Downers South? At South? I think
The coffee. This apparently was created
Mom, I don't like it.
somewhere here. That's it. We're done here in St. Thomas. Next step, Disney's private island. That's a Norwegian back there. St. Thomas. I think St. Thomas is a lot better than Tortola. The weather today was beautiful, man. Now we're gonna go inside of our cruise, some quick lunch, go to the pool. Should be a fun day. 3 more days of this, and that's it.
You can do it backwards. Did anyone attempt that?
Yes!
Love to hear it. Well, we're moving to the G column. Say what up, G? It's G.
Well, unfortunately, nobody won. Maddie was 1 number away, and they called out her number, -1. She would have been $800 richer, or I would have been $700 richer. She would have been $100 richer. But that's it. Now we're back in the room, getting ready. Plaza de Coco for one last time. Sad.
we were at Marvel for that.
And the jackpot ended up being, what is it, 12,200?
Yeah, like 12,000.
I was 2 numbers away. I didn't have a shot. Last day at Plaza de Coco. Let's see how this goes. Woo! Day 7 on the final day of our cruise. We're arriving at Castaway Key, not sure how you say it. But that's it. 1 more day to go. And there she is. We should be on the island in about 1 hour. This trip has been awesome. It's kind of a cold one, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna get in. Look at the waves on this thing, it's crazy. They are. Oh, that means the water's gonna be cold. I don't do well with cold water, but we'll see. We have officially made it out on Disney's private island. Hopefully it's not too cold because it's gonna be a bad one. It's real windy. Love this island though, super clean in here. Enjoyed it. Hopefully the water's not too cold, and we can enjoy it and eat a lot of food. It's our final day here, so love it. It is windy. We got the boat over there. Can't lie, the water is ridiculously cold in here. It's like super cold. I would say it's like 12 degrees. Oh my god. Maybe not 12. It feels like it's 10.
Finally went in the ocean.
Finally did. The last hour we're here, he finally got in the ocean. That's my son. This is. You guys see the seashells? Right now on our last day of the cruise, so try to tell everybody else that the Osmo has been pretty good. Actually, it's been quite an easy thing to come bring out and just shoot around with. And we are off. No. We are off the ship. That's it. Off the ship, ready to go back to Chicago. Beautiful weather down there waiting for us, you know. In their 40s. See, that's what we're waiting for us. We're leaving sunny skies for possible rain and knowing our luck, snow. So, let's go. Back from our vacation. Hope you guys enjoy the video. We're doing a little family video here, and then that's it. That was the end of our vacation.